Facebook and Mario. I hope you all enjoyed making the tofu scrambled eggs from the last video and enjoyed eating them too. So for today, we all love going out to eat the dough balls with garlic butter. So I wanted to show you how we can make them at home, as they are so easy to make. To make the dough balls, you will need the following ingredients: 50 grams of butter, 300 grams of strong white bread flour, 7 grams of dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of caster sugar, and 175 ml of water. And for your garlic butter, you need 100 grams of butter and 1 garlic clove grated. Okay, now that we've got the ingredients sorted, put your butter and your garlic to the side. Then put your 7 grams of dried yeast in, your caster sugar, just scoop that out. Then your butter, and then your water. Now, once you've got all that sorted, mix it up. Okay, now that we've mixed it around, take the spoon out, wipe all the excess off the spoon, put the spoon to a side, and then don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, and just put your hands in there, knead it, and make the dough nice, soft and fluffy. If the dough is too wet, then add some flour in it, and if the dough is too floury, then add some more water in it. Now, once your dough is like this, you want to get some cling film, wrap it around that, and set it aside for 1.5 hours. Now that your dough is ready, preheat your oven on 180, just it, and then put your fan on. Now you will need a baking tray with baking paper on, and then take the cling film off of your dough, and then just knead it a little bit, and then once you finish kneading it, you can make it into little golf balls, just smaller than a golf ball. Okay. So about this size is okay. If you play with it, then you'll loosen all the air and it won't be fluffy and nice and gold when you make it. Now that your dough balls are ready, put them in the preheated oven and leave them there for 18 minutes. Now, what we want to do for the garlic butter is that I get a wooden spoon and a pan. Now, time to make the garlic butter. So, get a pan, put it on the stove, light your fire on. Now, got to grab the butter. Careful. Then, add the garlic in. once you've started to put the garlic on, you want to mix your butter around and like crush it and just mix it around so it's all melted and looks all drizzly nice. Turn your stove off once your butter is done, and then pour your butter in to a ramekin. Make sure none leaks out. So there you go, you have your garlic butter. Now that your dough balls are ready, they should look like this. Now you can drizzle some garlic butter on them, and then you break it up, dip it in the garlic butter. That's delicious. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and like the channel, and see you on the next video. Bye!